Sometimes I'll be looking for videos to do, and I'm like, surely I've done a video on that. And I look through and I haven't. And one of those is how to add a password to a page on Squarespace. Now, to me, that seems like such a basic thing that I would have covered way back in the day. I mean, someone correct me if I'm wrong. You can go through the annals of history and check if I've done it before, but I couldn't see it. So I'm making that video now. It's really, really simple, but a lot of people need to password protect certain pages on their website, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. I'm going to use my own website as an example here, and all we need to do is head to the page that we want to make password protected. So I'm going to try and make the About page password protected. So click on the cog, and then we need to go down to here. And then in here, we can set our password. So I'm just going to set this as password because I value security and I feel like that is the securest password that I can do. Hit save. And then if we go to bycrawford.com and we click on About, you'll see that we are presented with the password page. If I do password, that's going to log us in, and you can see, I don't know what's going on there, but you can see that the page is there in all its glory. So, super simple. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the link in the description.